So, I know I promised that the next FLM that I will make it would be the boiler test. But the problem is the MIDI has a lot of BPM changes. I still don't know how to work with that. So, I am sorry for not making the boiler test FLM. Maybe you will find a good one soon. Also, watch the full video because in the end of the video I'm gonna show you how to use the puppet DWP in this song. Well, anyways, enjoy the Flashing Lights FLM.
I don't hate you, but you need to stay out of my way.
Well, in order to the puppet voice work in the song, you have to put the fine tune in 30. Okay? And if you use another voice in this song, the fine tune has to be 0 because the pitch will be too loud. Anyways, that's it.